job. Asta na tăcerii, bă.
First crash on my channel. First crash on my shifter a little bit. Bent my shifter a little bit.
I got that one on film.
Did you? Yeah. All right, buddy? My hand got stuck underneath it.
I got that one on film.
My hand got stuck underneath it.
Yeah, a little candy camera action.
Woo!
Yeah, a little candy camera action. the feds! Oh. Oh shit, the feds! Oh.
You all right? You good? No, you're not hurt, nothing? Let me call 911.
You mean a red light, right?
Yeah.
You mean a red light?
Yeah. You all right? You all right? You good? No, you're not hurt, nothing? Let me call 911.
You mean a red light, right?
No, he's yeah. Let me call 911 real quick. They all right? You all right? No, he's. Let me call 911 real quick. They all right?
Get out the other side.
Yeah, I was about to say this door ain't coming open. Turn the wheel if you can. Turn the wheel so it don't roll. You got a cell phone? I can't find
No,
it.
my son already called 911.
All right.
Move, right?
Damn.
Get out the other side.
Yeah, I was about to say this door ain't coming open. Yeah, he rolled. Turn the wheel coming through if you can. Turn the wheel. He already so don't roll. He's a. You got a cell phone? You were I can't find. You were coming through the light. All right. He was coming through the light and just. Damn. He tried to swerve, and then you turned into him. Go ahead and take a seat, man. Yeah, he rolled. Go ahead and take a seat, man. He was coming through the light. He already knew it. He's a. Yeah, you were running. No, yeah, you were coming through the light. But this guy, he was coming through the light and just. He tried to swerve, and then you turned into him. Go ahead and take a seat, man. Go ahead and take a seat, man. Well, the cops are coming. They're sending EMS. You might want to get out. Your car is smoking. No, yeah, he's. You might need to get out. Your car is smoking. That something's on fire. Is everybody okay in the car? That's coming from your dash. Well, that smoke is coming from your dash. They're sending come over here and take a seat. You might want to get out. Your car is smoking. You might need to get out. Your car is smoking. That something's on fire. I have it. Yeah, I have it on camera. Like, that's coming from your dash. What the color was. That smoke is coming from your dash. Just come over here and take a seat. Okay? I have it. Yeah, I have it on camera. Like, I can't remember what the color was. You okay? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was about to say.